everybody, welcome back to my channel, Less Work More Travel. Today, new country, new city. I come to you from Tirana in Albania, and so far so very good. It is absolutely boiling here today, around over 30 degrees anyway. I'm currently on the rooftop of a hostel that I'm staying in, and before I start I want to quickly show you my bed, my bedroom, my house. I'm staying in a tent, one of 3 that are on the rooftop, and here's my crib. And it's absolutely brilliant. I slept like a log last night. This is only my second day here. I got here yesterday afternoon. Didn't do any filming because I was just too knackered. But yeah, there's no one up here at the moment, probably because it's so hot. But as you can see, it's a pretty nice rooftop. And then in the evening there's some barbecues and people basically get smashed drinking on that table. There's a few hammocks, some nice places to chill out, and you've got a pretty nice view. The GoPro's not going to do the mountains justice in the distance. I'm hopefully going to trek up there in a few days, and I'll be showing everybody around town and up and down the mountains. And in today's vlog, I'm gonna kind of latch on to a free walking tour that's going on. It starts at 6 o'clock, and just speaking to a few people in the hostel who went yesterday, they said there's about 60 people in 3 different groups. Right, let's get out the hostel, let's get some water, let's get a beer, let's get some food, and let's have a walk around Tirana, should we? Let's go. Okay, a little bit warm for it, but I had to do it. I'm starting with an Albanian traditional stew for my first meal in Tirana. It's lumps of meat, but it's in almost like a sauce that tastes like hummus. Is the best way I can describe it. Okay, well the portion was a bit small, but the food was lovely. 500 Albanian lek that cost. So now, before we do the walking tour, I've got a couple of hours to kill. I'm off to an area called Bilaku. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, probably not. But we're off to offer a couple of beers. And the river's really nice that goes through this city. And the traffic system's not only controlled by the traffic lights, but also by the policeman with his whistle. And what I like about the bars around here is they're all quite discreet. As you can see, there's a lot of like plants and shrubs outside the front, so you can't actually see inside too much. But I quite like that actually. There's another one up here called Mugo, which I'm gonna have to go to at some point. I'll see if I can sneak my camera around. Okay, beer time. Sadly, just an Estrella, like a Spanish beer, so I'll nip to another bar and try and get a more local beer in the next one. But this is a lovely, lovely little bar. It's called Small and More. Okay, I was going to go to another bar, but I was so comfortable at that bar that I couldn't actually move. And the pints were 300 lek, so I had 3 of them. Right, let's head to the walking tour. It starts in about half an hour. So I hope everybody enjoyed some of the sights of Tirana. Them free walking tours are brilliant. They happen a lot around Europe as well, so if you're not sure what to do on your first couple of days, make sure you look at some of them free walking tours. I gave her a generous tip. I'm going to slowly walk back to the hostel now. I'm sure I'll go to a bar and have another couple of beers on the way, and then I'm going to crash out in my tent. What a lovely view of the river it is. This is an amazing place. You got to come here, everyone. Less work, more travel. There'll be quite a few more episodes of Tirana especially to come. All the best, and I'll see everyone again very soon.